Hey guys, Scott here at Kitchener Hyundai, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the navigation system on an Elantra. The first thing that you're going to notice is that it's actually touchscreen. So if I touch it here, I can make it bigger, and then you're going to notice here at the top left corner, there's actually this home button. If you press that, it'll take you right back to where you were. To set an address, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to press this nav button, go up here to address, and then type in the number first, and that's what that's going to do. It's going to set everything up nice. Then you're going to want to press OK, and that's going to take you to the street. From what you're going to want to do, obviously, type in the street name, and then press next again. It'll bring up a big list of all the Trinity streets here, and what I'm going to want to do, I'm going to set it for Stratford. Then you hit Start Guidance, and that's automatically going to calculate the fastest route for you. You're also going to have this really cool thing called the point of interest categories. This is basically going to give you all of the shopping centers, basically any business really that's out there. If I'm looking for a store, I'd go to department stores, and it's actually going to give me everything in the States, anywhere in the continental US, Canada, and also Mexico. So if I want Canadian Tire, it'll give me all the Canadian tires. To set your home, your work, and your 3 favorite addresses, just click here and then type in the address. You're also going to have a couple of route options. So if I go obviously into route options, you're going to be able to avoid ferries, electronic tolls, toll roads, freeways, however you want to get there, we can set that up. Now, if you're always in a rush like I am, there's this quick search bar right here at the top. So if I type in Conestoga, it's going to give me Conestoga Mall, Conestoga College, really any business with Conestoga in the name. I press OK. Of course, it gives me all of the options. Now, when I click on one of them, it's actually going to give me all the information if I need to call them before I get there. Now, a couple of closing things here. You're going to notice a couple of green lines by the highways here. Now, if you have Sirius XM or if your car is equipped with BlueLink, you're actually going to have the traffic notification. So these green lines are basically telling me that traffic is moving smooth. You're also going to notice that I'm going to be able to zoom in as far in or out as I want. If it's on auto, it's going to automatically do it, and I'm going to be able to mute the navigation. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video, and hopefully you learned something today. If you have any questions, contact us. I'm going to have some information in the description below. Get a hold of me.